Hi everyone, I am doing my presentation on selenium. My name is Madeline Davis. So some of the main functions of selenium, which is a trace mineral, are it reduces the risk of various cancers. It's very important for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland, and it also supports immune function by helping create something called antioxidant enzymes, which help prevent cell damage. And it is also protective against mercury poisoning. Because selenium is a trace mineral, humans only need a small amount. The daily recommended allowance is 55 micrograms per day for adults and goes up a little bit for pregnant women. Some food sources of selenium are Brazil nuts, and right next to it you can see how many micrograms per serving are in the Brazil nuts. Is 544. So one Brazil nut actually offers enough selenium for the daily recommended amount. Next is tuna, which is 92, oatmeal, spinach, and mushrooms. So um, selenium has a reputation for being like a must-have for various thyroid dysfunctions. One of those is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is basically the immune system attacking the thyroid. And it actually is true because the thyroid does contain more selenium by weight than any other organ, so it's very important for the functioning of the thyroid gland. And then some interesting facts about selenium are that it got its name from the Greek word meaning moon. Alexander Graham Bell actually created a selenium-based photophone because selenium actually reacts to light. Selenium is used to make a pigment called China red, and it's also used in photocopiers and laser printers. And there are many plants that require high levels of selenium to thrive. So an excessive intake of selenium can actually lead to selenium toxicity, which is called selenosis. And some effects of excessive selenium intake include nausea, fatigue, hair loss, paralysis. And often it's not caused by eating too much food that contains selenium, but oversupplementation. And then these are my sources. Thank you.